A dispute is brewing between quarter-miler Dominic Blake and the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association over the mile relay from the London 2012 Olympics. As Keon Rayner reports, the non-forfeiture of the bronze medal could result in the athlete being barred from competing in this week's National Senior Trials.
A June 12 correspondence between Dominic Blake and the local governing body, the JAAA, which TVJ Sports have received, indicates that the quarter-miler must return the Olympic mile relay bronze medal she received from the London 2012 Olympics in order to be allowed to run at the national trials. And President of the JAA's Dr. Warren Blake says there will be no compromise.
We have taken that position, and the reason is simple. In 2012, when Dominic Blake was named as part of the relay pool to London, she was not chosen to run, so therefore she did not compete or participate. If she had participated in the event, the entire team would have forfeited the medals because of her subsequently to the event being convicted of a doping offense.
But Dominic Blake, in her June 30 in response to the JAA's, pointed to a letter from JAAA dated January 24, 2017, signed by Executive Director Kerry Brown, noting that no preconditions existed to prevent her return to competition. Blake said she has since competed 8 times since February without any notification that the return of her Olympic bronze medal was conditioned precedent to competition. However, Dr. Blake was dismissive of JAAA's letter.
Yeah, but the return to competition is not JAAA's call. JAAA does not govern whether an athlete can return to competition or not. They can only clear them for doping offense.
Our sports team sought some clarity from President of the Jamaica Olympic Association, Mike Fennell, on the matter of the medal in question.
Medals are given to those who actually participate in the heats and in the finals. Dominic Blake did not participate, but an error was made and she was given the medal. She was requested to return this medal from that time, and it was reported to us that she had refused to return the medal. So it's quite clear that she's in possession of a medal to which she was not entitled, and she should return that medal.
The JAA's boss, Dr. Warren Blake, is maintaining they are on solid ground to bar Dominique from competing.
The rules applicable at the time that she was barred from competition clearly states that as a precondition to return to competition, that you have to return all the medals and prize monies that you have earned. And that is the rule that we are applying here.
Dominic Blake's representative, Dr. Emir Crown, who has vast experience in sports law and who sought and obtained an 18-month reduction from her 6-year sanction at CAS for a doping violation, has written to the JAA's asking that they reconsider the request for the return of the medal in question.
We are strongly of the view that any attempt by the JAAA to enforce something that the JAAA is stating or mandating, then they're outside their jurisdiction. If the JAAA has some issue with Ms. Blake retaining a medal or possessing a medal, then that is a separate matter entirely. And the JAAA is free to take that up in whatever is the most appropriate avenue. But to essentially block an athlete like Ms. Blake from competing on her home soil through the JAAA, that we suggest is completely inappropriate.
Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.